11,000 service members, 20 countries, 1 month. Exercise Saber Strike 2017. Led by the U.S. Army, Saber Strike 17 is a large-scale exercise designed to strengthen the bonds between allies. Each nation participating has its own powerful armed force, but several armed forces united means a greater defense against whatever threats may come. Involving land, sea, and air, Saber Strike 17 swept the Baltic nations and Poland at the request of their governments, with battle group convoys, amphibious assaults, live arms fire, and the type of air superiority for which the U.S. Air Force is famous. Of the units involved in the air component of Saber Strike 17, the 171st Air Refueling Squadron once again returned to the Baltic battlefield, coming from Selfridge Air National Guard Base in Michigan with 2 KC-135 Stratotankers.
The mission of the KC-135, it's basically a mobile gas station, so we give other aircraft the capability to stay airborne for longer periods of time. We can carry a small amount of cargo as well as do a medevac mission, but we give aircraft the capability of staying airborne and going oceanic or wherever they might be able to go.
On the ground, the 435th Contingency Readiness Group from Ramstein Air Base in Germany touched down at Leeuwarden Air Base. The mission of the 435th is to identify where a potential airfield could be, parachute in, assess soil quality and strength, and make the determination on whether an Air Force aircraft can land there and how many times it can do so. In Estonia, the CRG did all of this in a plain grass field, resulting in a smooth touch-and-go operation by a C-130J Super Hercules. Near the Latvian military base in Audige, TACPs from the Idaho Air National Guard worked with their Latvian and British brothers to synchronize techniques for maximum mission effectiveness. TACPs are responsible for controlling combat aircraft over a battlefield, but as often is the case in the Baltics, weather proves to be an obstacle from time to time. The Baltic forests were alive with tanks. Clearings were used to flex the armed muscle of coalition forces. The impressive unity shown by these allied nations says very simply that conflict might exist somewhere on the murky horizon, but should it ever come to face us, we will be ready.